If you have kids or you have pets like I do, well, I gotta tell you, this may be a video you want to check out. I came across a household tool that I gotta tell you, I just found it just amazed me. And I'm gonna tell you all about it and how to use it coming up next. Today's video is a cool tool video. It's been a while since I've done a tool, and I've got to tell you this. Recently, I noticed that there were multiple pet stains on the carpeting throughout the entire house. And well, many of you know that I've placed the project house on the market to sell, and I want to give the house every possible chance to sell quickly. And to do that, well, I had to address those pet stains, because face it, pet stains on the carpeting could discourage a potential buyer. So I went out and I purchased a carpet cleaner, but not just any carpet cleaner, a carpet cleaner that was designed with the pet owner in mind. It's called the Powerdash Pet Carpet Cleaner. There were very few parts, and everything assembled quickly, snapped together, and there were no tools required. It was really, really simple. I think I had it up and going in less than a couple minutes. Honest to goodness, a couple minutes. I was blown away right off the bat by the results that this thing gave me. Now this is how it works. First, you want to thoroughly vacuum. Prior to filling up the tank, you want to pay close attention to the water level line and the solution level line, and then go ahead and fill up the tank with warm water and the appropriate amount of cleaner. We take our bottle with the solution, and what we do is we just insert it. Now we're ready to go. Step on the gray button to release the handle, and the red button, it turns the unit on. Now when you pull the trigger on the handle, that's going to control the flow of fluid, of cleaner. When you let up on it, well, that's going to control the suction. I got to tell you this, I'm not somebody that's easily impressed, but this little carpet cleaner, it does an outstanding job. Wow. I got to tell you, I was more than happy with the results. And when I started doing the math, I realized that if I had had a company come in to clean the carpeting, it would have cost me a lot more than the $109 I spent on the tool. This way, if the pets have an accident later down the road, I've got the tool to take care of it. Now what I'll do is place a link in the description below the video so you can check it out for yourself. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.